Hozir give up va give inni farqini ko'rib chiqamiz. Give up bu stop doing something, ya'ni biz qilib turgan biror ishimizni to'xtatamiz. Masalan, I was learning Spanish, but I gave up learning Spanish because it was too difficult for me. Men ispan tilini o'rganayotgan edim, lekin ispan tilini o'rganishni to'xtatdim, chunki men uchun juda ham qiyin bo'ldi. Yana bitta misol. Before I used to listen to The Weeknd, but I gave up listening to this singer. Avval men Weekndni eshitardim, lekin esa bu qo'shiqchini eshitishni to'xtatdim. Give in bo'ladigan bo'lsa, biror narsaga qarshilik qilishni to'xtatish, ya'ni stop resisting. Ya'ni biz biror narsaga qarshi bo'lamiz boshida, keyin esa buni to'xtatib yon beramiz. For example, at first my parents were against, but finally they gave in and let me go to the United States to study. Ya'ni ota-onam boshida qarshi bo'lishdi, lekin va nihoyat yon berib, mani Amerikaga o'qishga ketishimga ruxsat berishdi. Agar bu ikkita phrasal verb sizga tushunarli bo'lgan bo'lsa, mana bu gapda qaysi biri to'g'ri kelishini yozib qoldingchi? Stay sharp and follow for more.